Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a presentation on Canva. Guys, before starting with the tutorial, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications to my new videos. So without wasting much time friends, let's start. So guys, I'm already logged in into Canva. You guys also need to open canva.com and create an account on Canva using your social login like Facebook and even your Gmail account. Once you log in, you're going to see a page something like this. Then over here, you have option called presentations. Also, you have a presentation option over here. Clicking this will directly create a presentation window for you. But we'll click on this presentation over here. So let's click on presentations. Then we get different type of presentations. So they have shown what type of ratio we want. We want 16:9 ratio, that is 1920 into 108 pixels, or we want to create a presentation for mobile. Then we want to create a presentation for 4:3 ratio, and there are other types of presentations for game presentation and all. Then over here at the bottom, you have even the templates, different templates which you can use for presentations. But we'll click on this presentation over here. It's your choice what type of presentation you want to create from this one. So let's create a blank presentation of 16:9 ratio of 1920 into 1080 pixels. So let's click on it. In the new tab, a blank canvas will open for the presentation. So guys, what you see over here, it's a blank canvas. And at the left side, you can see the different templates, basically the designs. And it is available under the design tab. So if you see, there are different tabs over here. But the templates will be shown under the design tab over here. Then if you scroll down, you can see the different types of templates. If you see this particular icon, then you should note that those are the paid ones. These are the paid designs that you can use. But for that, you need to go for the pro subscription on Canva. So now let's select one of the presentation templates. So I'll select this one. Now over here, if you see, there are different types of pages. If you want, you can select all. You need to click on apply all 18 pages, or just select the pages that you want. So I'll select the specific pages only. I'll select this one, then I'll also add another one. So basically guys, if you see, it is replacing the first slide. So your first slide is selected, so click on the first slide only and then click on this add. Now at the bottom option over here, you need to click on the add page, then select the next slide. Now click again on the add page button and select the next design template of the page. So I'll select this, then I'll select another one, then I'll select another one also. Now let's add another one for the thank you page. So guys, this is how we create a PowerPoint presentation. Now guys, let's preview this first. So I'll click on present button over here and we'll say there are three options basically: present full screen, presenter view. So you are going to get a presenter view, then you have auto play also. So let's say auto play currently. Okay, got it. So for that autoplay, you need to give the timing. So now let's go with the full screen play only. So I'll click present. So this is how we create presentation in Canva. So press the arrow next icon to navigate to the next slide. So guys, now let's see how we can edit this content. So now let's click on the first, basically the page. So we can say like, I'll say learn to create, and I'll say presentation. So now if I click on the element, then I can drag and position it anywhere that I want. And I'll say by code it. So I can make this kind of changes. You need to just click on a particular element to make changes. Guys, when you basically edit a text, you have the different basically the font families over here. You can even change the size of the text, then you have the color, even you can change the text to bold, italics, underline and all. Even you can align the text to left align, center align and right align. So similar things you can do. You can also replace this particular graphics if you want. So if you don't want this particular thing, then just click on it, select the element and click on delete. Also for these elements. Now to edit the next slide, you need to click on the next slide and then again edit the text. So we can say like what I'll say use templates. Then I'll say over here in Canva, and over here I'll say super easy to share. So this is how we customize the templates. So now if you see, there are different graphics also. So you can add this particular graphics. Like if when I selected this, I have the percentage symbols over here. So I can change this percentage options also. So if you see, we can change the even the width of this particular basically the layer with circles. So this is how we can create. Then under elements we can insert this kind of particular element which you see on the page. So if you see, these are the elements. Then guys, under text you can add different types of headings, and whatever element which you upload will be shown under uploads. You can similarly draw certain elements also which you want over here. So I can, if I say do this, then if you see the marker line is appearing over here. So I'll say undo. Now this is how you create PowerPoint presentation easily. Guys, if you want to share this PowerPoint presentation with your boss or even your teacher in school, then you can easily do by just clicking on share button over here. And then guys, you need to copy the link, then share this particular link with your boss in the office or your teacher in this school, and you can easily create this kind of presentation and you can easily share. It's super easy. Normally on your system you used to create a PowerPoint presentation using MS PowerPoint and all, but the difficulty was to share it because you had to copy it in the pen drive and you were sharing with your boss or even your teacher. And also sometimes you used to mail the PowerPoint presentation to your colleagues. So it was becoming hard for sharing, but this is the super easy trick. And the person who is previewing the PowerPoint presentation can make changes. So only you can make the changes. So this is how you can make beautiful looking PowerPoint presentation using Canva.